Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Maddie the Hot Sauce Girl and it's time for another unboxing. Today we have some holistic health products from Mesquite Garden coming at you from Northern California. Let's get into it. Everything smells so good in here. Lavender, eucalyptus. I know everything in here is going to be so good. Okay, let's see what we have. A lot of things in here. Wow. Okay. First up, from Mesquite Garden, it says breathe easy. This is something that is going to be so good, especially during the winter time when the kids are picking up colds from school, bringing them home. We always have the sniffles, especially where I'm located. We are in New York City. We get heavy hits during winter. It is very cold here. So this is going to be so great. It says allergy and sinus support, lemon balm, nettle leaf, mullein, peppermint, and yarrow. I am definitely going to have to check out some of these ingredients. This is a loose leaf tea I am very excited about from Mesquite Garden. Okay, what's next? Oh, this is something I was very excited to try. Another breathing stick. So if you find yourself having a little bit of a nasally, allergy kind of thing going on, or if you find yourself having trouble taking in a deep breath, or you feel like a little whistly, something like this is very good. So this is a deep breathe aromatherapy inhaler, and this is how you do it. You just in each nostril. And this has peppermint for sure. What else is in it? Eucalyptus, lavender, essential oils. Absolutely wonderful. Yes, this is going to be so great. I'm going to be keeping this one in my purse for sure. Okay. Next, we have elderberry herbal extract. Wow. So this is something that you can drop right underneath your tongue. Again, elderberry has incredible properties to help you stay healthy, especially during the winter season when it is especially cold. So elderberry is very good for your immune system. You can drop this underneath your tongue, 1 or 2 drops a day, or you can put this into tea. So very excited to keep my immune system boosted. Okay, this is definitely something I am curious about here. This is called Grow and Glow Cuticle Oil. So especially for someone like me, I do a lot of gardening and I do a lot of cooking, and so I keep my nails very low. I even had a very bad nail biting habit growing up, and so I'm very excited to try this Grow and Glow Cuticle Oil for my hands, just to see if I can clean them up a little bit and get my nails looking a little bit nicer. So I'm very excited about this one as well. In addition, we also have this salve. This is a salve that is going to help promote your breathing, especially while you're sleeping. For myself, I can imagine, using this right before bed on my neck and on my chest. And this is a salve called Clear It Up. So it is meant to help promote your breathing. It does have ingredients that will help your muscle tension, which is why I mentioned rubbing it on my neck after a stressful day. I think that this is going to be so lovely. Excited about all of these wonderful products. This is something I am very excited about. This is called Lash and Brow Organic Growth Serum. Oh, I am so excited to try this out on camera for the first time. So this is a wonderful serum that is going to help the growth in my brows come together. And I don't know if you're like me, but using fake lashes, lots of makeup all my life, I have, some gaps in my lash line now. And so I'm really excited to use this growth serum to see how it affects my lash line. Mesquite Garden is coming at you guys from Northern California. They ship all over the country. It is a woman-owned business. You guys can check them out on Instagram at Mesquite Garden or on TikTok also at Mesquite Garden. Thank you guys so much for following along my journey. I cannot wait to try these products for you live on camera for the first time. So make sure you subscribe and follow for part 2.